Hey guys, we are heading up to Arrington, Virginia for this year's Overland Expo. You're probably asking yourself exactly what's overlanding. Well, overlanding is a genre of travel that is different than typically what you are familiar with. We all know about backpackers, and we know about the RVers and people who travel on motorcycles and Can-Am Spyders and stay at hotels like we've been doing for the past couple of years. This is a new, well, it's not new, it's new for us, motor travel where it's self-sustaining in a vehicle. The vehicle could be a motorcycle. It could be a all-terrain RV or SUV or something like that. So what we're going for is to look at a specific brand of camper. It is the Hiker Trailer. We hope that the Hiker Trailer will fit our needs for longer duration travel. That way we won't be sleeping on the ground or staying in hotels, which will enable us to stay on the road longer and for less money. So that is the overall plan, and it's a big event, so it's growing, and we're looking forward to getting up there and checking out what they have to offer. Well, we've arrived at our Airbnb for the next couple of days. It's situated in the country. The region of US 29 between Charlottesville and the Bedford and Amherst area is pretty rural, which is why they've selected that for the Overland Expo. So accommodations are few and far between. There are no hotels, but there are Airbnbs and some camping. So this is where we're staying. We have the entire dwelling. Very spacious. It's out in the woods. Got a nice deck out here. And we'll take you inside and just give you a quick tour. It's an older home, but it's very comfortable and it's very quiet. It's clean and tidy, and all the everything we need. It's coming up on cocktail hour here, so Miriam is already starting to open some wine we picked up when we were at the vineyard for lunch.
Yeah.
What are we having?
Number one red.
Number one red.
It's a nice blend from Upper Shirley Vineyard.
Yes.
Really pretty vineyard.
So the kitchen area. We found the kitchen wasn't stocked very well with all the things you would normally, I guess, find in a home or Airbnb, or there's no standardization in what an Airbnb will provide. So you have to look at the details to figure out what you got.
But they're renovating.
Fortunately, I bring a kitchen kit, which I've put together for our upcoming trips. We've got coffee pot, coffee cup, wine opener, cutlery, plates, bowls. So we're prepared for that. And including Miriam was impressed when she goes, "There's no wine glasses. How are we going to drink our wine?" I was prepared. So anyway, let me give you a tour around. The living area. It's got a wood-burning fireplace if you're here in the wintertime. The master bedroom. Very spacious, very comfortable. And one of the things that we're going to hope to enjoy later on this evening is the hot tub. Well, it is really early the next morning, and it's raining, and we've arrived. Good morning, sir. Do you need to see our papers?
You're just there for the day?
Yes, sir.
You cannot go until 8 o'clock. Over to this gate.
Well, good morning again. We are in queue, waiting for the event to open. Apparently they've changed the I'm not sure what time we got here last year. But
Well, we did the weekend pass last year.
Yeah.
That's what was different.
So we have a day pass. We're waiting for them to let us in at 8 o'clock, so we should have got the whole weekend pass, and we could have got to the front of the line.
Maybe the rain will stop.
It's raining, but you can see on the horizon, the rain is already forecasted to stop. Our first goal today is breakfast and coffee, but it's like I look at all these toys and it's like, these are my people. This is where I belong. I just want to look at the toys. It may be a dreary morning to start out with, but we got hot coffee, gravy, and biscuits.
Very decadent.
We are giving serious consideration to the Hiker brand trailer. It's a comfortable and lightweight vehicle that can extend our travel significantly. Each one is a custom build. You pick the features and options you want. 3 months later, you go to the factory in Indiana and pick it up. We are always looking for meal ideas for traveling. The goal is flavor, texture, and ease of preparation. This year we attended 2 presentations. The first was called The Gas Station Gourmet, presented by Eva Rupert. The other was Chef Corzo of Outdoor Eats. Chef Corzo is a classically trained chef who combines his skills and love of the outdoors and travel. He presents healthy, fast, easy, and very tasty recipes and techniques. He has a YouTube channel simply titled Outdoor Eats, and offers an assortment of cookbooks. We picked up 2 additional books for our library. Well, we're leaving the Overland Expo after a full day. It's like 5 o'clock in the evening. It's after 5. We just finished up with Chef Corzo's presentation. Oh my gosh. You know, it's travel cooking, but it was better than you know, many places we can get at a restaurant. It was really top shelf and
Innovative.
Yeah.
It's nice to have new ideas. We all get in a rut. We tend to cook the same things over and over.
Yeah, it's single pot meals, and they have diverse flavor and texture, and look forward to going home and trying some of them. And well, I guess overwhelmed is a bit another statement of equipment that we saw and talked to the manufacturers and suppliers. So
Well, we got to touch the hiker trailer, smell it, and
yep.
see it.
So I still didn't get one of those flat orange boards like all the cool overlanders have. That's anyway.
I love the international travel tales. That's always my favorite. It's so inspirational, and it makes me feel like such a wimp.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our travel-related content, just check out the rest of our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.